Hey everybody, this is Caesar with SmallEngineVelocity, and welcome to day 2 of the Zuma BBK, the Athena Zuma BBK. Sorry, I'm tired. Yesterday was exhausting for me, so I actually kind of went to bed a little bit early, and now I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting the Zuma together, but let me clear out the garage real quick. So yesterday, I left you after I had put the shroud back on the motor. I went ahead, like I said in the video, to get to the point where I need to be today. I went ahead and installed the motor, mounted it back up, put the carb and everything back on. So here's what it looks like. So here is the suspension. I got that back on again. That was a little bit hard. I actually had the threads turned the wrong way. The motor mount right there was back on, and then I got the exhaust mounted back on again. That was super difficult to get it to seal. And then here's all the stuff inside. I got the carb, the throttle cable, the fuel line, the vacuum line, the oil to the injector down on the bottom. Reconnected all the wires. I got the starter cable back on, and then down here the spark plug is back in again, and everything seems to be in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick test start, and let's see how everything goes. All right, looks like it's a good sound. So all that's left now is that I need to put all the plastics back on here and stuff like that. I think it sounded right. I don't know. I mean, it's the first time it started, so I guess that's what it's supposed to start. Someone told me to make sure to break it in. Don't run it too hard in the beginning. But I'm gonna go ahead and start zipping it together. So yeah, here we go. All right, so I decided before I zip it all the way back up, I'm gonna go ahead and ride around the block real quick, at least with the seat on so I can sit on it. But let's see how she runs. I'm not gonna record this. This isn't the final run. I'm just testing to see if I need to take it apart and to try to do any more troubleshooting. Anyways, here we go. I'll be right back in just a second. Okay, I went for a test ride and it was hesitant and then it died. And I figured it out. So I took the carb out and cleaned it, right? what else did I do? I took the intake manifold out, which I have to clean because I have to redo the copper. Then I took the readout, and I noticed something. There was a giant chunk of shop paper towel jammed in the intake on the reeds. Apparently when I had washed the bike, when I pulled the thing out to plug the intake so that I can wash the motor, I accidentally left a giant chunk of paper towel in the intake plenum. And didn't know it was there until after I'd started it got in the reeds. So, my bad. Let's continue on. Let's forget this ever happened. I'm going to go ahead and put it all back together, and I'll see you in another second.
Alright, you guys are probably wondering what happened. How is he getting ready for work? Well, I recorded yesterday, and if you saw the Facebook post, I lost my audio. So, woo! I'm sorry, but this thing's got kicked now. I was a little bit thrown off by that. So anyways, yes, I didn't record audio, so since I didn't record audio, oh well, I gotta record again today, and I couldn't finish the video yesterday because it was too late by the time I got to it. Anyways, it does seem like it's a little bit laggy here and there, but like once it hits like 35, like I feel like it's like a crazy monster fast. Anyways, I'm gonna get over the other lane. But anyways, so yesterday I got it to about 51, almost 51, and in a tiny stretch of road. So yeah, that's pretty fast. This whole experience was pretty easy. A little bit difficult because of the mistakes that I made, but all in all, it was, if you know how to turn a wrench, and let's say you've changed your brakes before, well, something that requires torquing. If you've changed your brake pads before, and you've torqued something down before, then you're qualified to do this. So, I have confidence that it's not that hard to do. It's pretty much take off and replace. Just make sure when you're replacing that you use assembly lube and you put everything on the right way. You don't leave paper towels and stuff. Use gasket seal. And if you have any questions, my best recommendation for full answers at one time is 49cc Scoot. There's a 2-stroke section in there, and you can ask questions all day long. And these people were extremely helpful. Like, way more than a Facebook group where the trolls live. Anyways, I just wanted to end with that. Now, except for that I'm in traffic and no one got to see how fast I got to go, so I'm going to go ahead and skip to a straightaway. Yeah! This sucker's fast now! Okay, so I just leaped it to the end of the dial, so I don't know exactly how fast I'm going, but I know that I'm hitting the end of the dial. See, when it reaches this corner right here, if you can see it, I've gone as fast as I'm gonna go. Okay, and I'm still going, and I'm still going, and I'm still going. Okay, that's a speed run. I'm not supposed to run it that long. When we get to a stop, we'll see how fast it was by looking at the trusty old GPS that's in my little handy pocket right here. Alright, well, we're not really actually going to get the stop. So we went 54 even. So there you go. We can go speed limits of Hawaii. Oh, it's crazy. The kick on this thing. And I still got to tune it. I still got carb stuff to do and everything. Anyways, thank you for watching this extra long series that I broke up into 3 days, which I didn't really mean to, but don't forget that I got on February 9th the meet over at the Shell gas station to go to Coffee and Cars. And after Coffee and Cars, we're going to go ahead and head to Whataburger for lunch. You can just go to the Whataburger part if you want, if you don't even have a bike and you want to go. But anyways, like, subscribe, share, and I will see everybody next time.